Teaching business communication online. Teaching business English in an online environment can be quite different and challenging than teaching in a classroom. Teaching online requires specific competencies and skills associated with effective online course teaching and facilitation. Before you begin your online course, it is important for the teacher to feel confident about using the tools in the online learning environment and to become familiar with them, with how the course is set up. These tips can help the new teacher to carry out an effective course. Create an effective course outline that communicates course expectation guidelines of online behavior and course organization. Effectively use the learning management system and other technologies selected to support the course, including Microsoft Office and Adobe Acrobat. Possess an understanding of copyright and intellectual property issues in using content in an online course. So during the course, the teacher, if the teacher is new to the teaching online environment, then he or she should try to foster an engaging and interactive online learning environment for the learners. Although this may seem challenging at first, but by using the following strategies, perhaps this can become easier for the new teacher. Teach students about online learning and help them to connect materials with their own personal learning styles. Promote active learning techniques and relate the subject matter to students' interests and experiences. Develop relationships with students and encourage social interaction between students. Encourage the exchange of ideas, arguments, and perspectives among students to facilitate the development of a community of learners. Promote collaborative learning and model good participation if needed. Redirect the discussion if headed in the wrong direction. Create ongoing opportunities for reflection, critical analysis, and self-exploration. Encourage students to respect the course schedule and assignment submission due dates. Provide students with meaningful feedback on their assignments and participation in a timely fashion. Maintain frequent contact with students. Effectively and efficiently manage and administer the course. Be sensitive to disabilities and diversities and respect various ways of learning. Monitor students' compliance to the university's academic integrity policies. Effectively navigate the course website and use the tools of the course LMS. The end of the course can be a busy time, but it is equally important to continue to engage with the students. This involves taking care of the administrative tasks, taking time to reflect on your own practice. Consider the following steps as the course comes to a close. Provide students with assignment grades and submit final grades to your academic department. Give a prompt feedback to students on final papers and tests, and evaluate, which means reflecting on your own teaching. Distant courses have got their own strengths and weaknesses. We should not expect them to replace face-to-face learning and teaching because they are different. However, a useful alternative is to blend the two methods of teaching, the formal method of teaching, which is face-to-face, and the online method of teaching, which is called blended learning, which becomes more effective for the business English learners. Also, the teacher should try to arrange occasional meetings, pre-planned workshops in order to meet up with the learners and to provide them an opportunity to meet their peer groups.